viewers, welcome to my channel. My name is Farooq Ahmed and this video basis only information purpose. I'm not giving you any financial advice in this video. If you want to invest in cryptocurrency, you must complete research. After that, you will do this. So viewers, this video is going to be very interesting for you. If you want to get more information about cryptocurrency, you must watch this video till end. And also subscribe my channel, like my video, share with your friend, and must press bell icon button because this is a necessity for you. So let's go over Etherscan.
So viewers, today we are going to discuss about also Trust Wallet browser extension, and in this video we are going to discuss about how we can add custom token in our Trust Wallet. Yes, if you need to add new custom token in your Trust Wallet, so this video is going to very informative for you. But first of all, please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Wallets Info, and also press the bell icon button. And if you need to get same information in Urdu language, then you can join my other channel, Best Cryptocurrency Wallets. So if you open my YouTube channel and go to the video portion, and then you can see here I have uploaded already 3 videos about Trust Wallet of Google Chrome extension. The first video is how to create a Trust Wallet account on computer via Google Chrome extension. We have already discussed about Trust Wallet in our mobile, but these videos are discuss about how to install or how to use Trust Wallet with the Chrome extension. And second video is how to find the wallet ID of Trust Wallet, and third video is how to backup recovery phrases. So I hope you properly understand about Trust Wallet in these videos, and today we are going to discuss about how we can add the custom token. So you can add any custom token regarding any blockchain. So first of all, I open the browser where I have already installed Trust Wallet. Now you can see here the browser is open in front of me, and they have shown the Trust Wallet. If you need to add any custom token, so you must have the contact address. If you have contact address, then you can easily add any custom token. So let's suppose first I am going to open CoinMarketCap and need to add any new token which is going to list on CoinMarket. You can see here CoinMarketCap is open in front of me, and this time Bitcoin price is almost $17,000. And if we need to add any custom token like Ethereum base, BNB base, or Polygon, so first you need to find the contact address. How can you find the contact address? So there's many coins is available, also token available, and you can see here recently added. So simple click on it. There is many token or coin is available here. You can see here the first 2 token develop on BNB, also Polygon, Ethereum, TRON. So let's suppose I need to add this interport token ITP on our Trust Wallet. So simple click on it. When you click on it, so you can see here there is all information you will get from this website, like about website, explorer, source code, and also you can see here the contact address. So let's suppose I need to add this token in our Trust Wallet. So simple click on it, and then the Etherscan data you open will be in front of me. Now Etherscan data you open in front of me, and you can see here they shown the contact address, also shown decimal. So let's suppose I need to add this token in our Trust Wallet. So simple click on this copy address, and now going to open my Trust Wallet. I have going to enter my password here. You know my wallet is password protected. Simple click on unlock. When I click on unlock, you can see here there is available multi-chains like Avalanche, BNB, Ethereum, Matic, Sol. So let's suppose I need to add this token on Ethereum base. So simple and easy. Just simple click on three dot right top corner. You can see here 3 line manage tokens. There is option available here. Simple click on it, and there is chain available which is supported of Trust Wallet, Avalanche, BNB, Ethereum, Matic. First we need to use Ethereum. Simple click on add custom token, and now the all blockchain is available here, which is you are going to use. I need to add Ethereum base token, so simple click on it. So you can see here there is available contact address option, and also you just simple read here, double check the token information. Anyone can create a token including fake version of existing token. So be careful when you are going to use any token or add any token in your wallets, and confirm about that token is correct or not, means fake or original. You must complete your research before going to add any token. Okay, in this video I just giving you information about how to add the custom token, and this video is only for educational purpose. So I have already copied my contract address of this token. Just simple paste here, you can see here, and now the all information is available here. You can see here decimal, 18, symbol, ITP, and Ethereum base. You just simple click on add token. Now we have successfully add new token in our Trust Wallet, and let's suppose we need to add other token, and you can see here ITP Ethereum token is shown here. I'm also going to add one more token based on BNB. So simple click on BNB Smart Chain, or click on manage tokens, click on add custom token, and now use BNB Smart Chain. I need to put here the contact address, so I'm going to also find the contact address of this token. So simple directly open BSC scan, bscscan.com, and you can find any token contact address from this website. Let's suppose I need to add USDT on BNB. So there is many token is available here. Let's suppose I need to add Tether, USDT Tether, develop on BNB chain or BSC chain. There is available contact address. Simple copy, open the Trust Wallet, and just simple paste here. If our contact is correct, then all information will be shown in front of you. You can see here smart chain, symbol USDT, and decimal is 6. So be sure if you are going to paste your contact address here, that is correct or not, otherwise this information not will be shown in front of you. Okay, just simple click on add token. Now as you can see here, we have successfully add one more token, and you can also add many token in your Trust Wallets. It's depend on you. I hope you properly understand. So if you face any problem regarding this, you can mail to me my email address cryptowalletsinfo@gmail.com, and you can also comment below this video. I must read your comments, and I hope I will resolve your problem. So before going to stop this video, so please subscribe my channel. My channel name is cryptowalletsinfo, add the info and also press the bell icon button, and you can also get the same information in Urdu language. Then you can join my other channel, Best Cryptocurrency Wallets. So let's meet with you in new video. Bye bye.